Did you know that some celebrities, in their pursuit of eternal youth and beauty, ended up with surgeries that completely altered their appearance for the worse? From unrecognizable faces to botched procedures, these plastic surgery disasters serve as cautionary tales. Here are 10 celebrity plastic surgery disasters, ranked from number 10 to the worst at number 1 that left fans in shock. At number 10, Renee Talley, the Botox blunder. Renee Talley, a former Las Vegas showgirl, underwent botched Botox and silicone injections that left her with horrifying results. Her butt implants flipped inside out, causing deformity and excruciating pain. She became a cautionary tale, publicly speaking out about the dangers of unregulated cosmetic procedures. At number 9, Vishal Thakkar, the nose job nightmare. Indian-American actor Vishal Thakkar sought a routine nose job to correct a minor issue. However, the surgery went horribly wrong, resulting in chronic pain and breathing problems. Over time, he underwent several corrective procedures, but his nose was permanently disfigured. His tragic story highlights the devastating risks of even common cosmetic surgeries. At number 8, Carrot Top, the comedic surgery disaster. Comedian Carrot Top, known for his outrageous humor, became nearly unrecognizable due to excessive plastic surgery. With over-the-top Botox, eyebrow lifts, and cheek implants, his face took on a rubbery, unnatural look. Fans were shocked by his drastic transformation, which became a running joke in Hollywood. At number 7, Simon Cowell, the X Factor facelift fail. The famous music mogul and reality TV judge Simon Cowell openly admitted to overdoing Botox and facelifts. His once rugged and charismatic face became stretched and expressionless, making him look significantly older. Cowell later revealed that he regretted the extreme cosmetic work, saying it made him look like something out of a horror film. At number 6, Meg Ryan, from sweetheart to startling. Once beloved for her girl-next-door charm, actress Meg Ryan shocked Hollywood with her drastic transformation. Her overuse of Botox, lip fillers, and facelifts left her face stiff and unnatural. Fans mourned the loss of her once radiant and genuine beauty, making her a cautionary tale of Hollywood's obsession with youth. At number 5, Donatella Versace, the frozen fashion icon. The vice president of Versace, Donatella, was once known for her striking Italian beauty. However, years of Botox, facelifts, and lip fillers left her with a frozen, swollen appearance. Her overplumped lips and stretched skin made her barely recognizable, turning her into a poster child for plastic surgery excess. At number 4, Katie Price, the British glamour model's downfall. British TV personality and model Katie Price, formerly Katie Price, became infamous for her plastic surgery addiction. From breast augmentations to multiple facelifts and lip fillers, she dramatically altered her appearance. The excessive procedures left her with a swollen, artificial look, far from her once natural beauty. At number 3, Pete Burns, the pop star's plastic surgery tragedy. The late singer Pete Burns, known for the hit You Spin Me Round, underwent numerous lip injections and facial surgeries, leaving him permanently disfigured. Burns suffered from severe infections and facial damage, and he later admitted that the surgeries ruined his life. His shocking transformation became one of the most tragic celebrity surgery stories. At number 2, Hang Myoku, the DIY plastic surgery horror. South Korean singer and model Hang Myoku became infamous for injecting cooking oil into her face after being rejected by doctors for further cosmetic procedures. The oil caused her face to swell grotesquely, leaving her disfigured. Despite multiple corrective surgeries, the damage was irreversible, making her story one of the most extreme plastic surgery disasters ever. And at number 1, Jocelyn Wildenstein, the Catwoman catastrophe. Topping the list is Jocelyn Wildenstein, whose plastic surgery transformation is considered one of the most extreme in history. Obsessed with looking like a feline to please her cat-loving husband, she underwent multiple facelifts, cheek implants, and eye surgeries. The result? An exaggerated cat-like appearance that made her barely recognizable. Her surgeries not only destroyed her natural beauty, but also cost her marriage and millions of dollars in the process. Plastic surgery can be a powerful tool for self-enhancement, but as we've seen, it can also be a gamble with devastating consequences. Which celebrity transformation shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Aster Polo TV for more shocking and eye-opening content.